Ever wonder what makes some people radiate confidence like it's their superpower? Imagine walking into any room and instantly captivating everyone with an aura of certainty and charm. What's their secret? How do they achieve such effortless confidence? Today we're uncovering the secret traits of highly confident people, those hidden qualities that make them stand out and succeed where others falter. These traits aren't just about being bold. They're about mastering the art of confidence at a deep psychological level. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll unlock the powerful traits that can transform your own life and boost your confidence to new heights. Curious to find out what sets them apart? Let's dive in. Number 1. Unshakable self-belief. Unshakable self-belief is like standing on the edge of a cliff and leaping into the unknown, knowing with certainty that you'll land safely. This trait is the foundation of true confidence. Individuals with unshakable self-belief possess a deep, unwavering trust in their own abilities and judgment. This trust remains intact even when faced with challenges or doubts. They don't let fear or uncertainty paralyze them. Instead, they embrace risks and opportunities with a proactive mindset. They understand that confidence isn't about the absence of doubt, but the ability to move forward despite it. This resilience allows them to take decisive actions and make bold decisions, navigating obstacles with a sense of purpose. Their self-belief acts as a driving force, propelling them through adversity and fostering a sense of control and competence in their endeavors. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more powerful insights on self-improvement and dark psychology. Don't miss out on our latest content. Join the Dark Psyche Zone community and elevate your mind today. Number 2. Authenticity. Authenticity is a cornerstone of confidence. Imagine constantly wearing a mask to fit in. It's not only exhausting but also disconnecting. Confident individuals, however, are unapologetically themselves. They embrace their unique qualities, including their strengths and weaknesses, without pretense. This genuine approach fosters deep connections because people are naturally drawn to authenticity. When someone is real, they exude a magnetic charm that invites trust and respect. This authenticity allows confident people to build meaningful relationships and influence others effortlessly. It's not about projecting a perfect image, but being honest and true to oneself. By revealing your true self, you create a space where others feel comfortable doing the same. This mutual openness and trust form the bedrock of powerful interpersonal connections, making authenticity a critical element in developing and sustaining confidence. Number 3. Effective communication. Confident individuals excel in effective communication because they master the art of engagement. They don't just speak, they connect. Active listening is a cornerstone of their approach. They truly hear what others are saying, which enables them to respond thoughtfully and appropriately. This attentiveness creates a dialogue rather than a monologue. Additionally, their body language complements their words, using eye contact, gestures, and posture to reinforce their message and convey sincerity. Effective communication for them isn't about dominating the conversation, but about clarity and empathy. They simplify complex ideas, tailor their language to their audience, and ensure their message is both understood and appreciated. By validating others' viewpoints and addressing their concerns, they build trust and foster genuine connections. This balanced approach helps them engage effectively, making their interactions more impactful and meaningful. Number 4. Positive mindset. Imagine a stormy day. You could be overwhelmed by the dark clouds and relentless rain, or you could envision the sunshine that will eventually break through. This is the essence of a positive mindset. Confident individuals excel in focusing on the silver linings. They confront challenges with a solution-oriented approach, viewing obstacles as opportunities to learn and grow. Their optimism isn't about denying difficulties, but about embracing a hopeful perspective that fuels their resilience. By maintaining this positive outlook, they stay motivated even when faced with setbacks, allowing them to navigate tough situations with grace. This mindset enables them to rebound from adversity more swiftly and effectively, ultimately turning potential defeats into stepping stones for success. Their ability to remain upbeat and forward-looking is a critical element in their overall confidence and effectiveness. Number 5. Resilience. Resilience is a cornerstone of confidence, embodying the ability to bounce back from setbacks with renewed determination. It's not just about enduring difficulties, but about transforming challenges into opportunities for growth. Highly confident people see obstacles as stepping stones rather than roadblocks. They approach adversity with a mindset that failures are temporary and that each setback offers a lesson. This perspective enables them to maintain their self-belief and motivation even in the face of repeated challenges. Their resilience is fueled by an inner strength that propels them forward, making them adaptable and persistent. They are often characterized by their refusal to give up, learning from their experiences and evolving over time. This trait is crucial in maintaining a high level of confidence, because it reinforces the belief that they can handle whatever comes their way. Through resilience, they demonstrate a powerful ability to navigate life's ups and downs while continuously striving for success. Number 6. Boundaries. Confident individuals excel at setting boundaries, a crucial trait that helps them maintain personal space and mental well-being. Boundaries are like invisible lines that define what they will and won't tolerate from others, protecting their time, energy, and emotional health. They communicate these limits clearly and assertively, ensuring that their needs and values are respected. This skill involves knowing when to say no, delegating tasks, and avoiding overcommitment. By setting boundaries, they prevent burnout and manage stress effectively. They also cultivate healthier relationships by fostering mutual respect and understanding. This ability to uphold boundaries is not just about personal space, but also about maintaining control over one's life and priorities, ensuring that interactions are balanced and respectful. Number 7. Passion. Passion is a driving force that transforms confidence from a mere trait into an unstoppable force. It ignites enthusiasm and energy, making every action and decision charged with purpose. Confident individuals are deeply connected to their passions, whether it's a career, hobby, or cause. This connection fuels their persistence, pushing them through obstacles with a sense of excitement rather than obligation. Passion also enhances their communication, as their genuine interest makes their words more compelling and persuasive. People are naturally drawn to those who speak with fervor and conviction. Furthermore, passion provides a clear sense of direction and motivation, helping individuals stay focused on their goals. This intrinsic drive is not just about achieving success, but finding fulfillment and joy in the journey itself. It's this blend of dedication and enthusiasm that amplifies their confidence and influences others positively. These traits make confident individuals stand out and shine. But here's the thing, these traits aren't just for the confident, they're for anyone willing to develop them. Which trait resonates with you the most? Comment below and share your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this roller coaster ride through the world of confidence, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more insights. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay confident, stay curious, and keep exploring the depths of the dark psyche. See you in the next video.